Right, hi there. So I just recently passed 3,000 subscribers, and I'd just like to say thanks to everybody who's subscribed in the past and who will possibly subscribe in the future, hopefully. Yeah, thanks very much. Much appreciated. So just lately I haven't really been getting quite so many views as I used to get. The reason for this is because of the new YouTube thing. If you don't hit the bell icon when you subscribe, you don't get a lot of the time new videos in your subscribers feeds. So if at that particular time you're not interested in, say, I don't know, a welding video, or I don't know, me making a CNC machine, because you haven't been watching that type of video, you're not going to see my video come up in the subscription list. So a lot of people who used to subscribe to me and comment, they no longer comment now because they don't know I've got a new video out, because they never hit the bell icon. So it's a bit unfortunate really, because I've got 3,000 subscribers, but I only get probably around about, I don't know, 20-25 comments when I upload a video. I mean, that's the maximum I get. Whereas before I used to get quite a few more than that. So it's a bit of a shame really, but well, I've got to 3,000 subscribers anyway. And yeah, I just thought I'd make this video just to thank everybody and make this little plaque up to commemorate the 3,000 subscribers. Yeah, anyway, please subscribe, and just thanks for everybody subscribing and commenting, much appreciated. And yeah, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, whatever. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.